What's up, YouTube? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. If you're returning, welcome back. As you can see, we got this package here to unbox. We got the double-bladed bat knife on deck. So let's just get in here and see what we got. Should be enough to get us in. So this is the Mera Robot S60 FPV Butterfly. So let's take a look inside, see what we got. Wow, so this is almost a totally complete package. We got a transmitter in here. The sticks are raised up pretty nice there. Nice feel to them. I like this transmitter here. And we got the little Mera robot here. Little tiny whoop style quad here, it looks like. Pretty interesting design though. Definitely different. And we got a USB charging cable for the batteries there. And we have two batteries it comes with. So these are 200 milliamp hour 1S 40C batteries. Wow. There's two of them in here. There's another one in here. Check it out. So that's pretty nice. And we have some, well, this is the lens cap here for the cam that's on there. But we have some batteries in here for the transmitter. So that's why I said it's almost a totally complete package, because they actually supply the batteries for the transmitter. Here's a instructions manual, it looks like. Yes, this is the instructions manual. It shows you how to charge the batteries and all. Looks like it's in another language. Thinking that maybe it's on the English is on another side. Unfortunately, guys, it looks like this thing is all Mandarin or Chinese, I'm not sure, but no English instructions with this one. Let's have a closer look at this thing. It feels really light. Let's see if we can get a weight on this thing. A little tiny whoop style aircraft here. So let's see, what's the weight of this thing? 19.8 grams, so pretty light. Let's see a battery. 25.6 grams takeoff weight. So this thing is pretty light, and I'm expecting it to fly pretty nice. We have the little receiver antenna here. There's a little button in here too. I'm not sure what that button is. But this should be awesome though. No altitude hold. I'm happy about that. So it's normal flight. With this one, we have a few buttons here. We have some buttons on the shoulders. Maybe flip buttons. Let me look at the box and see if we can get any information on what it does, what it can do. It comes in different colors. Looks like this red and black one would be my first choice, but I like this yellow one too. So not really any details on what this thing is capable of doing. I guess we're gonna find out when we fly this thing. Should be pretty straightforward though. I'm guessing it probably have flip buttons, but I'm not sure if it has acro or anything like that. But you guys can expect some flight footage. It is coming up really soon. And ultimately a quick review or full review. It's the Mera robot. Thanks for watching.